All of the social media platforms provide free analytics. These offer key information to help you analyse your efforts. Familiarise yourselves with these dashboards to understand the metrics that they can provide. This is what Facebook Insights looks like. This free tool provides you with data and analytics about your Facebook page. It shows you how your content is performing, and it helps you to understand who your audience is. Meta Business Suite offers even deeper insights. You can set a custom date range in the top right corner to focus on specific periods, such as during an event, an advert campaign, or when influencers visited. You can assess the top-line data about your results, or you can dig even deeper into audience details. You can also find out all of the information on specific post performance, such as how many likes, comments, and shares each post has had. You can also find out how many video views you're getting, and keep an eye on your reach. That's the total number of people who saw your post. There's also audience data that includes details like age, gender, location, and language of users who've liked your page. If your Facebook and Instagram accounts are connected, you can compare audience insights across both platforms to spot any major differences. On Instagram, you can access the analytics through the Insights section in the main menu. You have to be using a business account to access this feature. You can look at data from the past 3 months, but it's best to have a look at this each month. Within Instagram Insights, you can monitor your reach. That's how many people you're getting your posts in front of. Your engagement. That's interactions like likes, comments, and saves. And you can look at your followers. So you can analyze trends in new followers. You could look at how many people unfollowed you. And you can also find out audience details about them. The content section highlights your best performing posts. This allows you to identify any patterns in engagement. You can look at stories data from the past 2 weeks to help you understand how they're performing too. Pay attention to any particular patterns. Is anything performing exceptionally well, or is anything underperforming? On TikTok, you'll need a pro account to access analytics. This is free to set up. Head to Menu, Settings and Privacy, Manage Account, and switch to Pro. In the Analytics section, you'll get an overview of your video performance, such as how many views you've had, how many people you've reached, the average watch time of your videos, and the percentage of videos that people are watching in full. There's also audience data, such as age, gender, and location of followers. TikTok Analytics allows you to track how many people are visiting your profile, how much engagement you're getting, and follower growth over time. When reviewing analytics on any platform, you should ask yourself, are my posts driving engagement? That's likes, comments, shares, and saves. Are my posts generating followers? What kind of audience am I attracting? And do I need to adjust my approach in any way? Regularly assessing these metrics will help you to refine your social media strategy and improve your results. You could do a quick weekly check-in looking for short-term spikes and a monthly in-depth report to analyse overall performance and spot trends, making strategic adjustments.